Imagine an AI, not just an answer engine, but a genuine collaborator.
Yeah, like a second brain almost.
Exactly. Actively transforming your rough ideas, managing your schedule, maybe even debugging code while while you're offline.
It's a pretty profound shift.
It really is.
And look, this isn't some far-off sci-fi thing anymore. This is the new ChatGPT. It's here now, ready to change things.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking closely at a truly transformative technology, ChatGPT.
Mm-hmm.
We're using Mastering ChatGPT, your ultimate AI productivity guide, as our roadmap today.
Yeah, and this guide really unpacks how it moved way beyond a simple chatbot. It calls it a cognitive partner.
Forget the basic Q&A you might know.
Totally. We're going to explore how ChatGPT can become your personal executive assistant, your tutor, your creative partner.
Our mission today is to show you how to really harness this thing.
We'll cover the critical setup stuff, the art of good prompting, which is huge,
Definitely.
some advanced productivity tricks, and how you can really tailor this AI to fit you.
Get ready to work smarter, not harder, and unlock some really unprecedented potential here.
Let's dive in.
So let's unpack this new vision first. Cognitive partner. What does that actually mean beyond just Q&A?
It means it's moving from just reacting to you to actively collaborating with you, thinking with you.
Yeah.
It's not just giving you info back, it's amplifying your own thinking, like a co-pilot for your brain,
Yeah.
helping you navigate complex stuff.
That's a really powerful way to put it. It's not just saving a few minutes here and there, is it?
No. It's about freeing you up, shifting your focus from just doing the tasks to thinking strategically. More human creativity, less repetitive work.
So it handles the mundane, allowing for higher level thought.
Exactly. Think about it. Scheduling meetings, writing code, debugging that code, learning a whole new topic fast, drafting detailed video scripts.
Wow.
It's designed to extend your mental capacity.
So the core shift is from basic chatbot to this cognitive partner. What's the biggest takeaway for us from that shift?
It's the act of collaboration. It genuinely amplifies human thought and frees up our mental space.
Okay, before we get into the really advanced stuff, that foundation seems critical, like briefing a new team member, you said?
Absolutely. You got to set the stage right. And the first thing, which people often skip, is custom instructions. This is such a game changer. You teach ChatGPT about you once, your preferences, your context. It saves so much time later.
Right. It has two parts, doesn't it? First is, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you?
Mm-hmm. That's where you put your role, like marketing director at a B2B SaaS company. Your goals maybe create lead gen campaigns.
Your audience too, right, and what you already know.
Exactly. So it doesn't
Yeah.
explain stuff you already get. Then the second part, how would you like ChatGPT to respond?
This is about tone and format.
Yep. Tone, professional but approachable maybe. Format, use tables, use bullet points. Constraints too, like always cite sources.
It stops you having to repeat those instructions in every single prompt.
Precisely. Gets the output closer to what you want right from the start.
Now, with all this power, we need to talk control. Privacy. That's huge, especially with sensitive info.
So important. You can, and probably should for certain things, disable, improve the model for everyone.
That stops your chats being used for training.
Correct. Keeps your data private. And for really sensitive stuff, there's temporary chat.
Okay, how does that work?
Those chats just don't show up in your history. They're not used for training either. Gone. Poof.
Good to know. And bigger companies might look at team or enterprise plans for more security features.
Right, they have enhanced controls. But the key is you do have control over your data.
Okay, what's next? This is where it gets really interesting, I think. Connecting tool.
Oh yeah, this is where it goes way beyond chat. Custom GPTs can perform actions. They integrate with other apps.
We're talking Google Calendar, Outlook, Gmail.
Google Drive, Asana, Notion.
Wow.
Yeah, the stuff you use daily.
So you could actually say, check my calendar, find a 2-hour slot next Tuesday, send an invite to Sarah for Q4 planning.
You absolutely could. Or summarize the key trends from the sales Q3 sheet in my Google Drive and give me 3 insights.
That's bridging the gap between thought and action.
It really is. But crucially, you're always in control.
It asks for confirmation first.
Always. Before sending an email, creating an event, it'll ask, are you sure? No rogue AI takeovers.
Good. Okay, what else for the foundation?
Web browsing and file access. It can browse the web live for current info. Huge advantage.
But you need to be critical of the sources.
Always. Ask for sources if needed. And you can upload files, PDFs, spreadsheets, documents, code.
So it can summarize research, analyze sales data from a CSV?
Even make charts?
Yep, it'll analyze the data, maybe even write and run a bit of code to do it and present the results. Just trying to keep your uploads organized.
Makes sense. So stepping back, why are those initial custom instructions so critical for long-term productivity?
They personalize the AI up front. You establish context, preferences, saving tons of time later. Right, learns you. Sponsor. Okay, so we've set the stage. Now, the prompts themselves. The quality of output really hinges on the quality of input, doesn't it?
Absolutely. No more sloppy one-line prompts if you want great results. Our guide talks about the RTCCF framework.
RTCCF. Okay, break that down.
Role, task, context, constraints, format. It's like a blueprint for a perfect prompt. Makes your request super clear.
So for role, instead of just write an ad, you'd say.
You'd say you are an expert copywriter, 10 years experience, B2B SaaS specialist. Set the expertise level high.
Got it. Then task is just what you want it to do.
Exactly. Write 3 ad variations for product X. Clear action.
Context provides the background detail.
Yep. Our product is task flow, AI project management. Target audience is small teams. Key features are XYZ. Give it the background it needs.
Constraints sets the rules. Word count, tone.
Right. Max 150 words. Professional but energetic tone. Include a call to action. Boundaries.
And format tells it how to present the output.
Use a table. Column 1 ad variation, column 2 headline. You get the idea. The guide's example for eco threads on Instagram shows the night and day difference this makes.
Yeah, structure really matters. What about few-shot prompting?
That's basically show, don't tell. Give it an example of what you want.
Like pasting in a sample email?
Exactly.
Okay.
If you want a specific memo format, give it one example. It'll follow that style, tone, structure for the new one. Great for consistency.
That's really useful for maintaining a specific voice. Now, what if the first try isn't quite right? You don't just edit it yourself.
No. Big mistake. Treat it like a dialogue. Correct and refine intelligently. Tell the AI what to change.
So you'd say, remove section 3, replace it with competitor analysis.
Precisely. Or make this sound more persuasive, or shorten this paragraph. It's way faster than manual edits. Let the AI do the heavy lifting.
So how does this RTCCF framework really change the game in interacting with AI?
It turns vague ideas into precise instructions. You get much better results right from the start.
Okay, let's push beyond the basics. How do we really turn ChatGPT into a productivity powerhouse?
It really starts with iterative prompting. This is so key. Break down big projects.
Don't just dump everything in one prompt.
No, you'll get shallow, generic stuff. Think building an online course. Don't ask for the whole course at once.
So start with the syllabus.
Yeah, ask for a high-level syllabus, then pick a module. Okay, graph the content for module 1. Then refine that. Add examples for concept X. Create 3 quiz questions for this module.
You guide it step by step. Quality control at each stage.
Exactly. And full disclosure here, I still wrestle with prompt drift myself sometimes if I try to make the prompt too big. So breaking tasks down iteratively, that's a habit I'm constantly working on.
That's relatable. The guide also mentions asking ChatGPT to critique itself.
Yeah, power user tip. Tell it, act as a demanding editor. What's unclear or weak in my last response? It's surprisingly good at catching its own flaws.
Interesting. Okay, automated workflows. This sounds powerful.
This is where it gets really cool. Multi-step processes. Combining web browsing, data analysis, using those connected tools.
Give me an example, like preparing for that competitor meeting.
Right. Ask it. Prep me for the competitor analysis meeting. It could potentially identify competitors, browse their sites for pricing, search reviews for pros and cons, analyze that data, and compile it all into a comparison table.
All autonomously?
Potentially, yes.
Yeah.
With the right setup and prompts.
Whoa.
Imagine scaling that kind of thing. The hours saved.
That's huge. You could connect it to other automation tools too, right? Like Zapier?
Yep, via the API. For recurring tasks like every Monday, summarize website analytics from Google Analytics and draft 3 key insights.
Okay, advanced data and code analysis. This isn't just for developers.
Not at all. There's a code execution environment right in the chat.
So a non-technical person could upload, say, survey results.
Exactly. Upload a CSV of survey responses. Ask it, analyze the sentiment in the open-ended comments, and create a pie chart showing the main themes. It writes and runs the Python code needed.
Wow, okay. And for developers.
Oh, it's amazing. Upload code. Optimize this Python function. Analyze its time complexity. Rewrite it. It'll execute, test, debug. It's like having a tireless coding partner.
What about collaborative drafting?
Think of it like working on a document within the chat. Paste in text like a contract section, then give instructions. Act as a lawyer. Review this clause. Flag any risks or ambiguities. You iterate right there.
And finally, multimodal inputs. It understands more than just text now.
Images, voice, documents.
Yeah?
Snap a photo of a whiteboard diagram.
Ask it to turn it into an outline.
Exactly. Use voice chat to brainstorm on the go. Screenshot a complex chart, ask for an explanation. Generate images with the LA3 right there too.
Bridging physical and digital. So looking at all these advanced methods, what's the biggest efficiency booster?
It's that combination. Automation of multi-step tasks plus multimodal interaction drastically cuts down manual work.
To truly master this, though, it seems like personalization is key, tailoring it to your needs.
Absolutely. Start with thinking of it as a personal Socratic tutor.
Don't just ask for answers, ask it to teach you.
Right. Command it.
Yeah.
Act as a Socratic tutor. I want to learn about the freemium business model.
How does that play out?
It won't just give you a definition. It'll ask you a question first, like, what do you already know about free offerings in business? Then it guides you, probes your understanding, gives examples, asks follow-ups.
Active learning. Much better for retention.
Way better. Really helps it stick.
And then custom GPTs. These sound incredibly powerful, specialized versions.
Yeah, think of them as mini ChatGPTs you build yourself. You preload them with specific knowledge and instructions for certain tasks.
Like a financial report analyst that knows your company's reports.
Exactly. Or an SEO content writer trained on your brand voice and keywords. Or even a technical interviewer with your standard questions.
It's like cloning expertise for specific roles. How hard are they to create?
Surprisingly easy. You go to Explore, hit Create a GPT, basically chat with a builder bot about what you want it to do, upload relevant documents as knowledge, enable capabilities like web browsing if needed, and save it.
Wow. That opens up a lot of possibilities for consistency and specific tasks.
For sure. And lastly, for organization, think thematic chat structure.
Creating your own workspace system, essentially.
Kind of, since there aren't official folders yet. Treat each chat thread like a separate project or topic.
Use clear names, like Project X marketing ideas.
Exactly, or research CRM comparison. It stops context contamination, where the AI gets confused between different topics in one long chat.
Keeps things focused, makes it easier to find stuff later. Simple but effective.
Very. It's a small habit that makes a big difference in managing complex work.
So how do custom GPTs and that Socratic teaching method really elevate the interaction beyond generic AI?
They let the AI learn your specifics and teach you interactively. It becomes deeply personalized.
Okay, the final step. Becoming an AI productivity master. This is about integrating everything, right? Putting ChatGPT into a bigger workflow.
Absolutely. ChatGPT is brilliant for ideas and text, but its real power multiplies when you connect it to other specialized AI tools.
It becomes the central brain.
Yeah, exactly. And other tools are the specialized execution arms.
So use ChatGPT to write a detailed video script.
Then feed that script into an AI video generator like HeyGen or Pika.
Outline a presentation with ChatGPT.
Paste it into Gamma, boom, instant professional slides.
Brainstorm visual concepts, get detailed prompts from ChatGPT.
And then use Midjourney, or DALE3, for amazing artistic results. You link these specialized intelligences together.
Building these advanced automation workflows, like that content pipeline example.
Right. Find trending topics, write a blog post with your custom SEO GPT, create a hero image with DALE3, generate social posts for the blog post, maybe even a YouTube short script.
All linked, all flowing from one core piece of content.
It's about creating systems. For businesses, the team plan helps here too.
Shared GPTs, shared workspaces.
Yeah. For consistency across teams, automated reports for recurring stuff, collaboration becomes smoother.
And this isn't a one-and-done thing, is it? Continuous improvement.
Definitely not.
Yeah.
You've got to regularly update your custom instructions as your needs change. Reevaluate your custom GPTs. Keep experimenting with new features.
The landscape changes so fast.
Unbelievably fast. For really custom stuff, there's always the OpenAI API for deeper integration.
And finally, just stay current.
You have to. Follow the blogs, join communities, set aside time just to play with it. Don't just use it for what you need today. Ask, what else could this do?
So what's the ultimate goal of weaving ChatGPT into that wider AI ecosystem?
Creating seamless multi-tool automation, maximizing efficiency and the quality of your output.
So let's recap the big picture here. What this really means is ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot anymore.
Not even close. It's a full-blown productivity platform. A partner.
It writes, codes, analyzes, teaches, creates.
Yeah, mastering it. It's becoming non-negotiable for the modern workplace, honestly.
The guide highlighted traits of successful users. Strategic setup first.
Mm-hmm. Structured prompting, using things like RTCCF.
Iterative workflows, breaking things down.
Using specialized tools alongside it.
And that commitment to continuous learning.
Exactly. And remember, the core idea isn't AI replacing us.
It's amplifying us.
Right. Freeing you up for the really human stuff.
Yeah.
Strategy, relationships, complex problem solving, things AI can't do.
So your journey to AI mastery, it can start right now.
Yeah, begin with those custom instructions. Get them set up. Try the RTCCF framework for your next few prompts. See the difference.
And as you get comfortable, maybe try a small multi-step workflow.
Or build your first custom GPT. Tackle one specific pain point you have.
The AI revolution is well underway. It's here.
And the people who learn to collaborate effectively with AI, who really embrace it as that cognitive partner.
They're the ones who are going to shape what comes next.
So what stood out most to you today? How are you going to start collaborating more effectively with AI? Keep asking those questions. Keep exploring.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. Until next time, keep learning, keep asking. OT Rural Music.